It always starts like this, looking for partnership. When the darkness hits, I fall apart too quick. I guess I'm hard to pick, and my heart is sick. My love's a gift, but nobody wants a part of it. I'm about to call it quits, I can't take the pain. Try to make a change, but it stays the same. In the pouring rain, it really calms my brain. When the thunder came, it sounded like your name. But I can't complain if you're not ready yet. You're looking for the one, but we already met. I see your silhouette, and it steals my breath. Numbness in my chest, but I feel the rest. Put me to the test, I'm the best. Over obsessed with sins of the flesh. I'm very depressed, I'm barely addressed. But I could say with all seriousness that the beauty in your eyes should be immortalized. You can make a portrait cry. It's braille for the blind, it's sign for the deaf. It's kindness, and yet like a sigh of the breath, it cannot be kept. If ever you wept, the angels would cry, skies would divide, God would arrive. It's not a surprise that in a world full of lies, people wear a disguise. You are a prize, but you hurt me, lied to me,